Over the past few days, the US has been dealing with the blowback after a large cache of classified Pentagon documents, including maps, charts, and photographs, surfaced on the internet. This has led the US officials scrambling to identify the leak source, with some experts saying it could be an American. Now, as per a new report, the leaks could just be the tip of the iceberg of a trove of material that had started circulating long before it was widely noticed. The disclosure of highly classified material already represents Washington's worst national security breach in many years, including details about Ukraine's lack of ammunition, US intelligence collection methods used against Russia, and embarrassing evidence pointing to US spying on close allies such as Ukraine, South Korea, and Israel. Analysts suggest that the damage to the US could still get much worse. So, what has been revealed till now? To tackle Russia's Air Force, Kyiv is currently using Soviet-era S-300 and bulk air defense systems, the leaks revealed. However, the leaked documents show that the country would run out of them by May or mid-April if it is not provided with a huge influx of ammunitions. The leaked documents also reveal that in late February this year, Russian forces nearly encircled the Ukrainian military in the town of Bakhmut, which has been a scene of fierce fighting for months now. The documents have also given the detail about the US allies who remain skeptical about providing arms to Kyiv, like South Korea and Israel. In a bid to encourage its soldiers and boost their morale, the Russian military has adopted the tactic of offering monetary benefits, the leaks also revealed. On Monday, Ukraine denied a report that it has been forced to amend some military plans ahead of a long-anticipated counter-offensive because of the leak. Presidential aide Mikhailo Podolyak said that Kyiv's strategic plans remain unchanged, but that specific tactics were always subject to change. The leak has led to the Justice Department carrying out an investigation, with Pentagon spokesperson Sabrina Singh saying on Friday, "We are aware of the reports of social media posts and the department is reviewing the matter." US officials have said that most of the documents that have surfaced online are real, with only some being altered. However, it is still unclear who has doctored the documents or the reason behind it. The New York Times has reported that most officials believe that there is a strong likelihood that an American official leaked the information. However, investigations are still being carried out on whether it is actually a leak or a hack. This is seen as one of the most serious security breaches since more than 700,000 documents, videos, and diplomatic cables appeared on the WikiLeaks website in 2013. Clearly, the leaks put the US in an awkward position. France, an ally of the US, on Saturday reacted to the leaks, which revealed that French soldiers were in Ukraine. Even Israel's Mossad reacted on Sunday, denying the information in the leaked documents, calling it mendacious and without any foundation whatsoever. South Korea is also unhappy with the leak, with CNN reporting that officials plan to raise the issue with Washington.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.